Okay everyone, welcome back. I posted a video about how my Leatherman had broke. I was pretty disappointed, and one person messaged in the comments to talk to Leatherman, that they're a pretty stand-up company and that they would do right by me. So I went to the website and filled out a claim form for the warranty, and they pretty much had instructions about send it out, pay for postage with tracking, and don't send your sheath in either, just the Leatherman tool itself, and that they will repair it. So I did all that, and I got several emails saying they received it, it was in their repair shop, then they were sending it out, and I got it yesterday and saved it for today to open it. Hang on. No instructions or paperwork, just a Leatherman. It's a Super Tool 300. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pliers. Does seem to be, I can't tell if this is my old one or if they just sent me another one. I mean, maybe when this part broke, or I should say on this side this part broke, they just swapped this part out and then put a new part in. Everything's very well oiled, actually. Like, they actually went through the ton to actually oil everything. See how the knife is. Blade's pretty good. There's the file. You guys can see that. A little dirty on that side. Feels fine though. Yeah, I mean, they even oiled it. I mean, you could sort of see it. I don't know if you guys can see this. I mean, yeah, they pre-oiled it. And it moves pretty smooth. Look at the action part of it. Okay. Well, if I had to say, I would say they, it's a great stand-up company, like the one person said. Everything, seems to be in great working order. Like I said, I can't tell if they sent me just another Leatherman or they actually fixed the one I had. They do have a thing, if it has sentimental value, you can check it off, and I guess they would work harder. I didn't check that. But I'm actually very happy with this, and I would also now recommend them highly. They really did stand by their product, and there was no questions, they didn't give me a hard time at all. They just, I didn't even have to show them a receipt. Like, they just took the tool and, repaired it and sent it back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. you like this video, please like, subscribe, and see you next time.